beautiful out here. Strong and courageous. Do not be frightened and do not be dismayed. For the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. Joshua 1:9. Yeah. Oh, it's alcohol. Saturday vlog. We are out here at the park. I am going for a walk. I'm out of water. I'm just like literally standing thinking about life. Like, I'm so blessed. I already did like, let me see, my Apple Watch about to tell me. I did 1.62 miles. So I'm about to complete over 2 miles today. And then I really didn't do much today. That's why I didn't vlog. Ooh, I might go out tonight though, y'all. I don't know yet. But if I don't go out tonight, I'll probably take myself out to brunch after church tomorrow. So it's gonna be a short, simple vlog just to start the new year. Wanting to go to the park for a while now, y'all. But I kept saying, I don't wanna go by myself. Y'all, all I got is me. I better go. Like I usually go with my brothers. So, you know, today we are by ourselves. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm gonna continue my walk. And then after this, I'm gonna go home, shower, and then probably go out tonight. So I got my outfit on. It's a girls' night out. We are going on a friend date. We're going to this restaurant called 14 North. I've been wanting to try it for a while, so I'm excited to go there. And I'm about to get cute, do my makeup. It's been a while, y'all. It's been a while. I'm kind of excited now. Because at first, I'm not gonna lie, I was like, ugh, I don't want to go for real. I've been like in the house lately, y'all. But now that, you know, I showered, got my outfit on, and I'm about to do my makeup. Yeah. Gonna eat the girls up, as always, as per usual. I love it. Wow. Got on the phone. Here's the final look, guys. I look good. Let me close the door. Go ahead and just put my perfume and bounce, y'all. So we're gonna do the usual, y'all. The usual Tory Burch, Labyrinth, mixed with Baccarat Rouge 540. That, y'all, I don't know what is in that. Those two combinations. I'm about to start sneezing. Woo, woo, woo. All right, y'all, I'm about to head out because my friend is here. I was thinking of wearing these. It's like, okay, like they're so freaking cute and fetch, and they take the outfit to the next level. Oh my god, this is cute as freak. Or I might just wear my Laura Vase if I want to keep it simple. And I'm thinking of wearing sandals. I'm gonna bring my sandals because I'm wearing right now my Yeezys. Yo, I don't know, I'm just all over the place. All right, let's go, y'all. Let's go. Hey, y'all, we made it. So we are in a parking garage, and I like the lighting here. Wow, the lighting is great. And so we're about to go to 14 North Daiquiri. I'm excited. I need me a drink, or 2 or 3 or 4. I'm driving, so I cannot drink that much, but I look so good. My makeup came out so pretty today. I love it. I'm gonna see y'all when we get in. Look at my friend. She's so beautiful. So are you. It's a vibe.
She definitely says this way.
Oh, where do we go? Oh, look, guys. We're here. All right. We got our drink, 14 ones. We got an extra shot on the top. Let's taste it. It's kicking. You like yours? It's strong. Maybe it's the shot. It's strong. Is yours not strong? Ooh, we are going to another spot now. 14 Daiquiri was cool, but now we're going to another spot. Hey, y'all. Ooh, honey. So we're doing a 3 for $11, y'all. I got 2 lemon drops and a Delray beach. Y'all, the food is done. We're at we outside. We're at a third place, y'all. We're at this place called Taqueria. So we gotta get some tacos because the place that we just came from did not have food. And we need food, y'all, because she's hungry. So we need food, y'all. We need food. Oh my God, I look so good. I look so chocolate and pretty. Yes. Yes, thank you, man. You want me to start? I am so lit. I'm so lit. I'm tipsy as hell. It's been a while. Y'all, we got chips and dip.
I don't know if we should. No, that's all. Thank you. I was gonna order the sauna for it.
Yeah. So our food, we got 4 tacos. I got 2 chicken tacos and 1 steak taco, 1 chorizo taco. So, yeah, y'all. Yeah, what?
I got the beans so I can put them on my taco.
Oh, let me actually try it. Yeah, so I thought our tacos came with rice and beans. It's rice or beans. That's wild to me. My Haitian ass, y'all. Mine a little salty though. They're salty? It's like they threw salt on top. That is so good though. I'm gonna try putting some of the beans on my taco, y'all. Black beans. Okay. The beans taste good. We're gonna take this to go. Good afternoon, well, morning vlog. We decided to come to church in West Palm Beach today. It was like an hour drive from the crib. It's so packed, y'all. Cause I guess, what is it? A famous Haitian artist, gospel artist is here, y'all, that we love. So I love this church. When I used to go to school in Boca and at FAU, we used to come here. And my friend found it. My friend back there, she found this church. It's just, I just love it. So yeah. Whew. I'm excited. I look good. The sun is sunning. But I'll see you guys after church and I'll let you guys know how it goes. vlog. Happy Monday. Happy start of the week. We are going to the beach. Yesterday ended really good. Church was great. The vibe was great. Everything was good. I'm gonna tell you guys about the word believing in Jesus, believing in his word, believing in his power, believing in everything that he said he's gonna do. Once you believe in him, that is the first step. God says faith the size of a mustard seed can move a mountain. That means a lot. A mustard seed is like this big. So if he's saying a little bit of faith will move a mountain, honey. So this year, believe in God for everything that you want. Believe that, like he said in Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Like, believe that with Christ, you can accomplish anything you want in this life, anything you want this year. I'm about to make me a smoothie before I go, and I think I'm gonna get some Popeyes to eat on the beach. I wanted to stop at Publix and get fruits and stuff, but I just don't feel like going in the store, and I don't feel like spending extra money on top of my food. So I'm about to make a smoothie, and then I'm gonna get like a little small meal from Publix. I'm gonna see if I have fruits here. All right, y'all, I'm all ready. My smoothie came out so good. It's a protein shake because I want to go to the gym later. Well, I wanted to try their ghost pepper wings, so I got it. Thank you. I got the ghost, their sweet tea. I don't think I ever had their sweet tea. And I love sweet tea now. Hey, sweet tea. Listen, y'all. I got sweet tea, a shake, a whole bunch of food that I'm not gonna eat. But I wanted to try the ghost pepper wings. Got me some mash. I'm about to dig up. That's gonna be my little meal. I got my Glamaholic lifestyle bag filled with so much stuff. I got my little beach bag, y'all. So it's a purse, right? But when you open it up, it's a whole towel, a beach towel, y'all. I got this back in college, and I've been using it ever since I go to the beach. It's just so convenient. Put it in the washer every time I'm done. Then I wrap it back up, put it in my closet, and it's a little bag, y'all. That's so fun.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect, I used to hand out CDs before they were
So I made it. I realized, y'all, I live in Miami. Like, why don't I utilize the beach? I love the beach, so that's what I'm doing. I'm about to go set up and all that and just relax. Everybody made mom at the beach. Y'all, it's literally packed all the way down. Like, bro, I'm gonna go find me a spot though. Hey y'all, so I'm here setting up. It's such a beautiful day out. I'm so happy I did this. I got my beach towel, let me show you guys. On the floor, so cute. And then my Popeyes, which I don't think I'm gonna eat yet. And then I got my books, Viola Davis. And the one that I'm currently reading, which is It Ends With Us. So I'm gonna, I don't know, I wanna start this one, but I wanna continue this one. I don't know yet. I got my planner from Successful Chick. I'm about to write some stuff. So I'm just chilling. We go to the beach. I see the beach. I'm just vibing, y'all. It feels so good out here. Ooh, I love it. I'm gonna get in the water eventually. I just don't know when. It looks so relaxing. All right, y'all. I just finished eating the Popeyes. Y'all, those ghost pepper wings were busting. They taste good. I thought they were gonna be spicier. They're not spicy at all. I don't know why they're called ghost pepper. I'm just sipping on my smoothie right now, and then I'm about to start. Well, continue. I don't think I'm gonna continue this book. I think I'm gonna start the Viola Davis one. I just want to read like the first couple pages to see what exactly like I'm going to get into with that. The first quote of the book, I love quotes. Fun fact, I love quotes. The first quote of the book says, I think human beings must have faith or must look for faith. Otherwise, our life is empty, empty. To live and to not know why the cranes fly, why children are born, why there are stars in the sky, you must know why you are alive, or else everything else is nonsense. Just Blowing in the Wind by Anton Chekhov. Wow, I love that. All right, y'all, I'm in the water. Ooh, it feels so good. I wait till the sun is down to get in the water. Hey y'all, we're at the gym. I just did the Stairmaster for about 10 minutes as a warm